Just a quick one for you guys. If you don't know how to create a custom Docker network on Unraid, it's fairly straightforward. Just go up to the top, click the terminal, type in Docker network create, and the name that you'd like to give the network. So we can say IBRANet, for example, hit enter, and then your custom Docker network is created. That will allow container apps to talk to each other, and will also allow you to use host names to refer to each other, which is the container name, rather than using IP addresses, which is pretty handy if you're swapping machines later on down the track or anything like that. So I hope that was helpful for you.